What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys having a great day as always. Today's video, we're going over how to mount a Jeep Wrangler similar to the one behind me, the front bumper off of a Jeep Wrangler onto your Jeep Grand Cherokee. I've seen this question asked countless times in different Jeep forums, on all these Jeep Grand Cherokee Facebook groups, which if you guys aren't a part of, definitely recommend joining. There's some awesome knowledge out there on Jeep Grand Cherokees to check out. But this video is not on that. It's on the new mounts for the Wrangler bumper on the Grand Cherokee. So let's go ahead and get into that. So here they are, guys. These brackets allow you to mount a Jeep Wrangler bumper onto your Jeep Grand Cherokee. We all know Grand Cherokee bumpers, there's not a ton of options out there, and they're a lot more expensive than Jeep Wrangler bumpers. So this will allow you to save some money on a bumper and also get a different look than what everybody else has on their Jeep Grand Cherokee. So these brackets are actually made by an awesome guy named Todd. He owns a couple Jeep Grand Cherokees, and he makes these brackets to make it work. He was kind enough to send these over to us to make a video on and just to show you guys it and get a little more exposure for these brackets. So I will link his Facebook down below in the description if you guys want to check him out. If you guys want to purchase a set of these for yourself, definitely recommend them. They are very good quality. The welds are pretty good on them. Honestly, definitely worth the price in my opinion. So let's go ahead and go over how you mount them, how you get them set up and everything like that. So the main difference and the main reason why you can't just put bumpers from the Wrangler on the Grand Cherokee is the Wrangler has a frame and the Grand Cherokee has a unibody. So they don't line up without getting some kind of adapter or bracket, and that's what this product is. So what you have to do to set this bracket up is you're going to have to cut this out so that it is a full square. That's basically the frame rail, but it's your unibody. You can also cut out the center section if you'd like. I'll go ahead and insert a picture of that right now. So this is what it will look like if you do happen to cut out the middle section there. And what that's going to do is just allow a tighter clearance on the bumper. And you're also going to want to drill out the pre-existing holes. So I believe you have to drill them to a 1/2 inch size. That'll allow the hardware that comes with these brackets to be inserted and set it up right. Once all of that is completed, it's going to allow you to slide the bracket in. You're going to bolt it down using the hardware provided with the bracket. And it's also all good hardware. You're not going to have to worry about this failing or anything like that. That was a concern of mine, or a thought that crossed my mind. Not really a concern. But once that's in, that'll allow you to run Wrangler bumpers on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. It'll give you the same, basically it'll look like a Wrangler frame sticking out of your unibody. So if you guys do want to pick one of these up, like I said, he'll be linked down in the description. I will be installing these as soon as I get my Wrangler bumper in. It's been on back order forever. Also disregard the headlights. I'm getting new ones, so I didn't even tape them off. I just oversprayed right onto them. New ones are on their way for that. Ton of new parts for the Wrangler coming. I will give you guys a sneak peek of the storage setup I'm still working on. So I haven't made a video in 2 days on this because it's been raining, but I got the bottom drawer all set up. Just have to mount this in there. This one will be the one that holds our smaller tools and things like that. I have the top piece already done. It's all finished. It's got the mounting hardware and everything for the cooler. It'll slide in and out there. This side will be for like recovery gear, tools, all that kind of stuff like impact. But if you guys haven't seen the video on that, I'll link that down below also. And as far as the tank tuck, I'll give you guys an update on that as well. I'm waiting on the new skid plate to come from Affordable Off-Road. That should be here any day now. I got an email the other day that's finished. Let me know down in the comments, guys, what you guys think of this product. I think it's an awesome option if you guys want something different on your Grand Cherokee. My big thing with building the Grand Cherokee compared to the Wrangler was just so much fewer options for bumpers, armor, things like this. So this will allow you to put a one-of-a-kind, basically, in Grand Cherokee front bumpers on your Jeep. I like having a different build than everybody else. That's kind of my main thing when I build my Jeeps, is just have something a little bit different than everybody. And I think this is an awesome way to do that. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for